Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is triangle law of vector addition for class 11th subject physics. So आज सोन topic च triangle law of vector addition. So यहाँ में statement लिखमुत triangle law of vector addition. It states that if two vectors are represented by both in magnitude and direction by the two sides of a triangle taken in same order, then the resultant of these vectors is represented by the third side of the triangle taken in opposite order. So यहाँ जो ये statement वनान कि अगर जो vector आसा represent कर two sides of a triangle taken in same order, तो use the third side of the triangle या closing side of the triangle that gives resultant. So यहाँ जो लफ्ज same order. So यम ब्रो statement of triangle law of vector addition समझो तम ब्रो समझो same order मतलब क्या गो vectors taken in same order. So यहाँ जो मैं लिखमुत vectors are said to be taken in same order if the tail of second coincides with the head of first. गो वना z vectors या दोयो खो ज्यादा vectors तिले in the same order ये tail of second coincide with the head of first, tail of third coincide with the head of second. So यम समझा बह अगर यम निमो vectors mini vector a या निम बह vector b. So as put author addition of vectors pointing in the same direction or in opposite, that means collinear vector addition. So आज is पढ़ा addition of vectors pointing in different direction. So image direction ची ये पर, image direction ची ये पर. गो यम ची z vectors pointing in different direction. आज उमन हुन add करुन. So total effect क्या है उमन दोन हुन. So गोडनुक चीज वनो same order means क्या गो vectors taken in same order क्या गो तो vectors taken in opposite order क्या गो. So मेन author युस vector a च ये कर ब represent यम जाय. For example ये निम यम जाय ये vector a थाउन इथे पट. So vector a थो में इथे पट ये कर ब represent for example op सत. So o च tail p च head. So you see vector b च ये तुलन बह इथे पट थोत ये करन ब displace मगर ये करन ब इथ पट displace इमस direction गसि change गसि के सो तुलन ब इथ पट थोत ये पकनावन ब एक यम च. So बह कर इमस direction change की तुल ब इथ पट. So इस पर मी याद ये नोन या था इमस नाव for example q. So vector क्या छि vector b. So ये कोर में represent pq से. So याद ये वुश आस you see vector b च इमस tail च एक ये tail कर coincide का touch head of the first. So बह पक इथ पटन head गोडनुक दोइमिश क्या tail. So इस पर ते tail of second vector कर touch head of first सत. अश वना तिल the vectors are in the same order. So यम च नाव यम च बलक ये vector a बनिम याजन vector b. So अश वनो यम जे heads करन touch vector b uk head. So अश वनो तिल यम ज in the same order की they are in opposite order. So in same order go same order means go tail of second ये गस करुन touch head of first. So या जनाब ब्या बनि vector a या जनिम vector b. So इस वनो यम जे vector a तो vector b in the same order because tail of second coincides with the head of first. So ये तो पर निम जे vector c. So vector a head करा touch tail सत, vector b head करा touch c किस tail सत. गो सुनो a b c त्रेनवै च in the same order because युस यमुक tail च सच करा यम किस head सत touch. पत वाल बह याद जैन यह b युक head मगर c युक यह tail. गो b किस head सत करा c युक tail touch. गो सुनो a b c they are in the same order because प्रथ कुनुक second uk head करा second tail करा head किस first सत touch. So अगर बह यह निम यम जे बनिम vector z vector a तो vector b. So याद जन वुश vector a head इश करा vector b किस tail सत touch they are in the same order. So yaad je nimbu benim je vector c, vector c. So both vector a head core tail se touch, vector b head core vector c kis head se touch. Yaad je b to c in the same order ki because c's tail gase til karin touch b kis head se. Go so tel you c ch ye ch a is b is in opposite order. So triangle law kya shwana? Triangle law shwana, if two vectors are represented by both in magnitude and direction by the two sides of a triangle taken in same order. अगर z vectors मिले क्या जन vector a तो vector b, अगर z vectors represent current two sides of a triangle, for example एक और ये vector a तो vector b, उमो कोरक represent triangle हिंद z side, क्योंकि triangle शासा त्रे side, triangle हिंद z side करा represent, मगर z vector in the same order. So इनके विश में vector a तो vector b, they are in the same order. So daban tel use third side of the triangle, use closing side of the triangle. अगर ये निमो in opposite order, so बनिम in opposite order, में opposite order इथा represent r से. तो you see vector third side of the triangle taken in opposite order gives the resultant. So r is barabar vector a plus vector b. So ये वन triangle law of vector addition क्या वन कि if two vectors both in magnitude and direction represents two sides of a triangle taken in same order, then the third side of the triangle or the closing side of the triangle taken in opposite order gives the resultant. So my you see resultant you see dimension third side of the triangle taken in opposite order at magnitude te the direction te. So direction means go equal. So I say it is angle alpha. So angle alpha gives the direction of the resultant. So you see resultant is direction te is magnitude te. So actually by using triangle law of vector addition, this magnitude of the resultant and direction of the resultant. So tim khatar karo is kam isnimo eta pattern badap mich vector z. So vector z imj akchi vector a ये कर ब represent o p से तो बेच में vector b ये कोर में represent p q से they are in the same order तो हम represent करें two sides of a triangle. तो use wise पता है third side of the triangle this taken in opposite order, this represented by OQ gives resultant. So in resultant magnitude the direction. For example, this vector A and vector B. You see vector A the vector B bana panwi angle theta. Angle theta. So bakari produce n-style. So mehuro you line n-style. So badab you see vector A the vector B panwi bana angle theta. So yaad in kar bakam batra im kyo you see kyo im petra perpendicular. So batra perpendicular tat leg kyo n. So throw metal kyo n perpendicular on o n square. So kyo n throw me perpendicular on o n. So agar ise triangle kontra wo nazar p n Q, this is a right angle triangle. So P and Q is a right angle triangle. The back triangle is a right angle O N Q. So body triangle O N Q. So इस तरह को रखिए body triangle in right angled triangle O N Q we have. So you see right angle triangle cho O N Q atmas choice you see O Q cho this is hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem O Q square is equal to this O N is the base. So O N square plus perpendicular which is N Q NQ square. So ash pata ye OQ, it is resultant. So vector R square, that means R square is equal to ON. ON chase barabar, that is OP plus PN. So OP plus PN but whole square plus this NQ square. So आता now equation first. So as we see triangle chase ONQ, atmas कर Pythagoras theorem use as we see OQ square ch hypotenuse square it is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So yes, which is back right angular triangle chase PNQ. So in right angular triangle PNQ we have, so it's more right angular triangle PNQ yes, right angular triangle PNQ ash pata usas mas PQ it is hypotenuse, PN it is base and NQ it is perpendicular. So our triangle must karo cos theta. So ash pata cos theta is barabar base by hypotenuse. So base is PN and hypotenuse is PQ. So इस वन तिल cos theta go barabar till PN by PQ, which means this PN is equal to PN च barabar PQ into cos theta. PQ into cos theta. That means PN ch is barabar PQ. So what is this PQ? PQ अगर इस वुचो यम जे p क्यो रिप्रेजेंट एज वेक्टर b मर ये वेक्टर b यू सिर्फ मैग्नीट्यूड जरूरत दैट मींस p क्यो इज इक्वल टू दिस लेंथ ऑफ द वेक्टर विल गिव द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर b सो इस लिखो यम जे b cos थीटा. So आइजरा pn बराबर b cos थीटा. Also ट्रायंगल मज वुचो sin थीटा कछ बराबर अश पता sin थीटा श बराबर perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular कछ triangle मज perpendicular chess NQ, the hypotenuse chess be PQ. So PQ, so asni तलीम जे बराबर sin theta is equal to NQ by PQ. So that means NQ nearest till barabar PQ sin theta. So as near till barabar NQ is equal to PQ. So PQ one simje PQ gives the magnitude of vector B. So each barabar till B sin theta. So as dra imje at right angle triangle mas dravas PN te dravas NQ te dravas. So karo substitute value of PN and NQ in equation first. So therefore asnetil barabar R square is equal to this OP. OP means magnitude of vector A, so it will be represented by simply A plus PN. So as PN barabar B cos theta whole square plus NQ. So NQ shares B sin theta. So B sin theta but whole square. So H is whole square. So as the R square barabar. So A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square. So B balashe is B cos theta whole square plus 2A into B. B balashe is B cos theta. So plus is B square sin square theta. So B is लिखो अलग square, sin theta is लिखो अलग square. So R square is equal to A square plus B square cos square theta plus गोर लिखो B square sin square theta plus twice AB cos theta. So actually R square is equal to A square plus अगर यमन दोन मज वो बी स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर थीटा तो बी स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर थीटा, ये बी स्क्वायर नीर कॉमन ये रोद cos square theta plus sin square theta plus twice AB cos theta. Now R square is equal to A square plus B square. This cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So I throw this B square plus 2AB cos theta. So which implies square there is upward even as under root. So under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So it's not tell as the resultant. So magnitude of resultant. This is resultant. Show this resultant vector R as soon it gives the resultant of the two vectors which represents two sides of a triangle. So you see resultant because it is a vector of its magnitude the direction that magnitude is given by the by this formula R is equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between two vectors. So yajan guys is clear guys. You see theta sure each A is the B is the main vector. Now this R, this resultant has direction. So I should know you could with respect to this vector, but let this be alpha. So you see alpha as direction of the resultant. So as the more you triangle be this ONQ. So it's like now a triangle must the most tan alpha. So tan alpha का पता tan alpha या tan से बराबर perpendicular by base. So tan alpha is equal to perpendicular. So अगर इस या triangle में जो ONQ perpendicular कुछ है NQ तो बेस कुछ बज ट्रायंगल मज ON. So अस वो तेल tan alpha is equal to NQ. So NQ वुच वही NQ बराबर B sin theta. तो युस ON ON बराबर OP plus PN. OP plus PN, that means tan alpha is equal to B sin theta divided by OP. This OP का बराबर A magnitude of vector A plus PN. So PN PN बराबर B cos theta. So यह triangle मज हेको तेल this angle use resultant बनावा. So अस हेको तेल अम direction of the resultant गो अस वोन तेल कि येल ज vectors also represent करा two sides of the triangle taken in same order. तो you see third side of the triangle taken in opposite order is resultant. तथ resultant size magnitude ते direction ते magnitude छ बराबर under root of A square plus B square 2AB cos theta. तो direction दी tan alpha is equal to B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Thanks.